best gift for the best YouTube creators. YouTube algorithm best gift for the best YouTube creators. It is very important to know that the YouTube algorithm or the YouTube gives the best creators for their consistency and the best performance on the YouTube channel. It is very important to be very hardworking. Yes, be consistent and do your work and be passionate if you are a YouTuber. It is very important to know that YouTube gives the YouTubers or the smaller channels or the best channels who are performing the best. Yes, what are the gifts for the YouTubers? What are the gifts that the YouTube gives to the creators? Number one, there is a blows. A blows, they don't give the button to the creators, but they send you an email for the blows. For the blows performance is that those people who have qualified and have arrived to 10,000 subscribers. These are the people who are supposed to be given the blows, but they don't give the gifts. They don't give the button or them like that for silver button. They don't give for blows people. Yes, those have arrived to 10,000 subscribers. Yes, they said the YouTube or the YouTube algorithm send you an email to congratulate you, to show that you have qualified and you have arrived to 10,000, showing you that you can go on and your fans are doing better and they are happy to subscribe to your channel. Yes, they congratulate you via the email. Yes, that is the first gift that you arrive after arriving to 10,000 to 1,000 qualification for monetization. Then to 10,000 you receive an email from the YouTube algorithm or the YouTube. Yes, they give you an email to congratulate you that you arrived to 10,000. Your fans are very happy to be part of your channel. Yes, they tell you to work hard so that you go to the next level. It is very important to know that if you arrived to 10,000 subscribers, that is a great congratulation at the best performance to show you that you have a greater and big audience on your channel. Yes, this is very important to know that you see on my channel how the email arrives. Yes, to congratulate you. Like mine, I will show you there that show you Treasure Karaoke congratulations via email because I have 10,000 subscribers. Yes, that is a huge and you are supposed to take it easy. Yes, it's that the YouTube algorithm will gift you for your channel is the silver button. When you arrive to 100,000 subscribers on your channel, the YouTube algorithm will send you a physical pack for you because you have arrived to 100,000 subscribers. That is a big congratulation to you to show that you are doing a great job on your channel. Yes, to have a silver queue of YouTube, it is very congratulation to you. Yes, that is silver button. That is after arriving on 100,000 subscribers. Yes, you do see a queue picture image on this channel. Yes, that is the best or the second gift that you get from the YouTube algorithm. Yes, that you receive from the YouTube algorithm is after arriving to 1 million subscribers. When you arrive on 1 million subscribers on your channel, the YouTube algorithm are able to congratulate you on your channel by giving you a physical gold pack for congratulations, show that you have arrived to 1 million subscribers. Yes, that is to show you have worked hard and you have arrived to 1 million subscribers, which is this is a very huge audience on your channel. Yes, this is a big congratulation to get a gold PAQ, that is a gold silver button. Gold silver gold button. Yes, it is very important to know that as a smaller YouTuber, you are supposed to be consistent on your channel so that you arrive to this congratulation thing. Yes, when you arrive to your 1,000, then you arrive to your 10,000, then you arrive to your 100,000, then you arrive to 1 million. This is a very congratulation. Yes, to you as a small channel. It is very important to be very hardworking and be consistent on your channel to arrive on those stages. Yes, and you will be very, very happy as you grow as a YouTuber, and this will make you be persistent and be happy because of this qualification. Yes, you have to be very, very happy. Yes, please welcome on my channel and may God bless you. Yes.